100 days in the sea. And it's not with me. With my kuya, he's somewhere else. And guys, we are gonna be doing this and we're gonna be completing it. Dito tayo.
Nasaan yung bahay?
Diyan, follow mo. Mga pirates. Kung ano sa ano.
Oh boy.
No. Ayun yung
Ano
bag.
to?
Mga coins.
Nasaan yun?
Hindi ko alam. Ay, nakuha ko.
Okay na. Ay. Ayun.
Ano po?
Ay, wala tayong ilaw. Magkuha ka nga ng mga wood.
Guys, I can subscribe down below.
Pinatukuhin pa. Okay. Okay. Ito.
We can buy
Saan?
dito. Ay, yun pala yung para sa coin. Uy, bili tayo ng food.
Oh.
I put fuel. Give me some more.
This one.
Give me some more fuel. No. I'm sorry. Wait for me.
Diyan ka lang makikuha ka lang ng wood. At ako'y maglalakbay. Baka kasi may sumugod sa base natin. Oh my. Aray. Sakit. Aray. Help, man. I'm dying. Aray. Hello, dalawa na sila.
Balik ka sa beach.
Ano to?
Fisherman. I found the fisherman.
May ano pa dyan, Joaquin?
What?
Ano ba to? Oh, shit. Man.
Oh, I found another one. Look. I found this one. The chest. I found like that boat right here in my inventory.
Huwag kang mag-build-build, ako lang mag-build.
No, I'm just collecting wood. Look, I have it.
What's that?
It's a boat too, like yours. But I'm not gonna use it. I don't even know. It's a buku buku! Get it! It's a buku buku that's gonna attack us.
Uy, ano yan?
Some enemies. Meat! Some meat.
Tira mo ako ng pagkain ah.
I won't eat. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Ay, gagi. Mali pala. Ito dalawa lang yung ano. Para saan yan? Ah, hawakin dyan ka.
I go. Now we have 3 cars because I'm gonna craft it.
Ba't ka nag-craft?
No, na-found ko sa chest.
Ah,
I found it in the chest right there in that
magkuha
island.
ka ng wood. Maggawa ka ng
I
wood.
don't craft. It's your decision to make. Small crate.
Ano to? Generates wood over time. Lagyan natin to dito. Ayan, may wood na tayo. Kumuha ka pa ng wood. Tapos kailangan natin ng wooden wall. Yan. Paano ba i-drop to?
I'm going on an adventure. Bye.
Wag. Dito ko nga lang kasi pag may umatake sa base natin eh. Kumuha ka lang dyan ng mga wood. Kumuha ka lang dyan ng mga wood.
I'm driving while I'm getting it. I can't control it. Ah!
Oh shit. Aray.
Fuck. Fuck. It's the island.
May trading ano dyan?
No. It's not arriving. How can I craft if it's right there? I can't even craft. Magnet? What is a magnet for? But I can't knock that yet.
Ano yan?
Hi guys, this is the end of the video.